Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the 2025 Base44 setup guide to show you how to build a shopping app using their super easy AI builder. Whether you are a small business owner or a dropshipper looking for a shortcut, this is for you. Let's jump in before the AI decides it's too tired to work today. First, head to the Base44 website and sign up. It is simple enough that no actual tech skills are required, which is great news for anyone who still struggles with their TV remote. Once you are in, you will see a chat bar with prompt suggestions, perfect for those moments when your creativity is at an absolute zero. For today's project, we are building a shopping app called Globy, because apparently, all the good names were taken. Type in a prompt for a modern online marketplace with a sleek landing page, search bar, and a checkout system. Hit send and watch Base44 start building your app while you sit back and take all the credit. A new window will open showing the task queue on the left and your app preview on the right. Unlike other tools that make you jump through hoops, Base44 has everything built in, saving you from the headache of a million third-party integrations. Here is the first draft of Globy. It has a modern font and a functional search bar, which is honestly impressive for a single sentence of effort. You can already add items to the cart and check out, but the sign-in page definitely needs a glow-up. Just tell the chat to add a sign-up option on the landing page and redirect logged-out users. The AI updates things quickly, though you might need to ask a few times before it actually understands your vision. If you want to sell real products instead of just placeholders, head to the workspace backend. In the backend, you can upload images and add descriptions to give you full control over your digital empire. The app uses fake data at first, but swapping it out is easy enough for a human to handle. Now, if you want to actually get paid through Stripe, you will need to cough up for the builder plan. Because let's be real, the best things in life are never actually free. Base44 is perfect for non-techie folks who want to build fast without learning a single line of code. It's much friendlier than technical tools like Bolt, provided you don't mind the AI doing the thinking for you. Try it out with the code SIMPLE2025 for 10 extra credits. All the links are below, and I will see you in the next one.